Hi popcorn lovers, I've been making popcorn for many years, and there's still no better way than the stovetop. Follow my method and you'll have a perfect batch every time. So here's what you'll need. About 3/4 cup of gourmet popcorn, I'd say about 2 tablespoons of oil, butter to taste, I use about 6 tablespoons, good popcorn salt, a large pan, preferably with a vented top, of course a saucepan for melting your butter, a large glass bowl or two, and you're ready to go. Pour the oil into the pan just enough to cover the bottom. That's about 2 tablespoons. Set your burner on the highest heat setting. Place 3 kernels in the pan and let all 3 kernels pop. This is important to get the heat just right for your perfect batch of popcorn. Add your popcorn to the pan. It should cover the bottom. Put the cover on. Make sure the vent is open, and on the side, start your butter over a low heat. Lightly shake the pan during popping to prevent burning, and lift the lid a few times to release the pressure. In about 4 minutes, the pan will fill. When the popping slows to about 3 seconds between pops, remove it from the heat. It's done. The pan will be bursting with perfectly popped corn. Pour it into your popcorn bowl. I always need 2 bowls. Butter to taste. And, of course, salt to taste. So I have one last tip for you. I use a butter knife to mix the popcorn. It does an amazingly good job mixing the butter and salt and popcorn together, and you have a perfect batch of popcorn, nicely mixed, ready to serve. Ready for some popcorn?
Yeah!
Here it is.
Oh, yum. Oh, yum. Look at that.
Perfect?
Perfect. Yum.
All right, whose turn?
That's mine.
Cook Bray! Oh.